The last step is to continue the improvement. Repeat, repeat, and repeat all the improvements, all the new habits, repeat them so that the new procedures are implemented and keep improving through time. Remember that you can follow the PDSA Deming cycle. I don't know if you ever heard of that.
No.
No? So this is a cycle that is very well known for in the quality field. Is the Deming cycle, which proposes that you always have to plan what you want to improve, do it, study it, so check the results through an audit or metrics, and then keep improving. And if you can teach this to the employees, that's how they keep improving through time.
Yes,
Uh,
I've heard of it.
Sorry?
Yes, I've heard of it.
Yes, you're in the quality field. We are all like following Deming teachings all the time, so it's very common. So what you can do now is maybe define a 5S day just to start 5S, but provide
Right.
your employees with a process to keep improving, celebrate the achievements at the very beginning. The employees get frustrated because they need to work more to do 5S, but they will see that in the end they will get better results. Have a process to update the action plans periodically so that they remember to keep improving. This is what we don't want to see. We don't want to see people that forget about putting the things in place. And these are some of the before and after pictures that you can include. So this is my PDSA cycle. Instead of using that, I just use this one. I show it before in the presentation. It's about how to improve self-organization. You change a micro step, a very little change. You make sure that you can repeat that change often by removing all the problems, all the obstacles, making it seamless, and then you keep repeating and repeating. And this the cycle where you keep improving. And when the employees get into the cycle, this is contagious for every areas of their life. They will be more organized at home. They will be more organized in other jobs. So this will really help them become more effective at what they do. Some of the things that you can do, you can have daily 5 minutes meetings with 5S to report the improvements. You can organize committee meetings. As I said, people from different groups can meet every 2 weeks to talk about 5S improvements. You can use checklists, cross-check among sectors. You can organize internal and external audits. You can celebrate or do walk around the plant, invite the family to come to the plant to see the improvements. You can do awards, showcase before and after pictures in boards. So try to showcase the 5S improvements as much as possible. And if you can, train your clients and the suppliers on 5S so that it's, again, a branding strategy. They will know that your company cares about quality and cares about their products too. Here are some next steps that you can take. These are 12 steps that I'm not gonna go now in detail, but you can keep them to help you go further, because you follow all the 5S steps, but you need to make sure that you're meeting all these things, that you're having a clear purpose, that you define rules, that you have a process to do improvements or to do 5S, that are clear responsibilities, have clear goals for the 5S system. Maybe you want to achieve a 80% score on the audit by the end of the year. I don't know. You have to help your team define what is the goal. And if you have an audit, you can set goals based on the audit, for example. Then you have to train them. You can start in a pilot team and then replicate it to the other teams. You have to keep communicating all the time what are the 5S rules. Monitor the risk and the results through the audit, and also coach the teams that are more laggards or that are taking longer to implement 5S. Then, to keep improving, thank everyone. Remember that as part of respect, thanking the people is important. It doesn't mean that you have to pay them more or give them a bonus, but thanking them or giving them a recognition, it's very important for them because they feel proud of their workplace. And allow continuous innovation. Give them tools so that they can keep on improving with 5S and keep on adding improvements. If you see a team that they are not proposing any improvements, there's some problem. Maybe the team is not motivated or engaged with the 5S. Maybe the team leader is not allowing for that to happen, or maybe they are too busy, they don't have time, or there's some problem happening there. So try to see what's going on.